Hello and welcome to Goa 365's News Now. I am Subhashish and these are the headlines. Overnight heavy rains threw life out of gear across Goa. Several rivers swell, flooding roads and bridges. Residents hit the streets with kayaks. Government to conduct comprehensive study of rising number of kidney patients in Kankana. Health Minister assures to expand dialysis centers in the southern taluka. Railway ticket collector from Kolhapur, Swapnil Kusale bags India's third medal at the Paris Olympics. And now for the news in detail. Heavy rains across the state have led to flood-like conditions in many areas of both North and South Goa, severely disrupting daily life. The Opa River's water level has surged to 6.28 meters, causing streets to become submerged and forcing residents to navigate by boat. Here's a look at the current rainfall and its impact.
गाड़ी घालना गाड़ी घालना
साधारण अर्धा किलोमीटर गाडी दवरल्या तारीर म्हणटा थंय दवरल्याचे तो आनी थंयच्यान त्या रानासून वाट ना ती वाट काडीत काडीत हांव अंदाजान आतां काट्यासून खुट्यासून वडात वडात हे हांगा पावला.
अजून तुका परत घरा वचपाक जाय.
आतां घरा वचपाक जाय. हांव म्हापसा आजुलो नासता
आणि हे पाणी आज पाणी 2 दीस
नायट शिफ्टी आसलो. सकाळी आतां येयला पळय सगळे बॅगान कपडे बिपडे भरल्या आनी आतां घरा वचपाक येता. धाडला म्हणटा तो आपण आणि ना जाल्यार आपण चौकशी करून धाडटा म्हणटा तो. आयज आमी हांगा साळ डेमार माडयार म्हणटा थंय रातभर जो पावस पडला त्या पावसान हाची परिस्थिती हांगा निर्माण पुराची परिस्थिती निर्माण जाल्ली आहा आनी ह्या ज्या ब्रिजार ऑलरेडी पूल पळयता हे उदक हांगा ब्रिज क्रॉस करपाक लागलेले आसा. सगळे जे शाळांतले लोक आहात त्यांच्यानी सतर्क जावचे, त्यांच्यानी आपापली काळजी घेवची आणि कोणी जे असले हेवी पावसान भायर सरचे न्हू आणि आपले गाडये बिडे उदकान घालचे न्हू अशें हांव सगळ्यांकडे मागणी मागता.
कशी घे पावले रे
मी तो 40 MLD वॉटर ट्रिटमेंट प्लांट आहा कुर्टी आमकां रॉ वॉटर आसा न्हू ते ओपाच्यान पंपींग जाता ओपा पंपींग स्टेशन. हांगा जे रॉ वॉटर येता तेजे पयलीं एरेशन जाता. एरेशन मागीर तुगेले फ्लक्युएशनान वयता उदक. फ्लक्युएशनान आमी तेजे पयलीं आमी एलम आनी लायम एड करता सो प्रॉपर फ्लक्युएशनाक लागून थंय ते मडी जे आसा न्हू ते क्लॉगिंग जाता ते सेटल जाता. सो मागीर ते नेक्स्ट स्टेप आफ्टर फ्लक्युएशन सेडिमेंटेशन देन मागीर फिल्ट्रेशन. सो आमचे ते सेंट फिल्टर आसा तितल्यान ते पास जावन एकदम क्लियर उदक मेळटा.
आमी हांगा लामगांव आसा गेले रात्रभर दिसभर जो पावस पडला त्या पावसान अख्ख्या बिचोलेन सगळ्या कडेन जे उदक भरला पावसाचें. आयज लामगांव येवपाचो मुद्दो म्हणजे हांगा जे तुमी पळयल्ले आसा ही सगळी मायनींग एरिया आनी हे मायनींग एरिया हो सगळो डम आसा आनी तो जो कॉर्नर जो पळयला तुमी त्या कॉर्नराच्यान मायनिंगेचें उदक सोडटा आनी तें उदक सोडल्या कारणान हो जो व्हाळ आसा हो गेले म्हाका दिसता 2021 उपरांत ही गेल्या 20-22 वर्सान ह्या सिजनाक 3दा ही परिस्थिती निर्माण जाल्ली आहे ह्या पावसाक आनी ही परिस्थिती आहा. आयज हांव सीएमाक मागता WRDक मागता की हेचेर लक्ष दिवपाची गरज आसा कित्याक पावस पडल्या उपरांत मिटिंगेक घेवन सोल्युशन जायना. पावस येवच्या पयलीं 7-8 म्हयन्या पयलीं किंवा वर्सां पयलीं हेचेर विचार जावपाक जाय. सगळे लोकल जे म्युनिसिपालिटीचे लोक आहा तांकां बसोवन WRDक बसोवन हेचेर विचार करून बाबा कशा पद्दतीन जर व्हडलो पावस येयलो जाल्यार ही हे करू शकता आमी हेचेर लक्ष दिवन हेचेर सोल्युशन काडपाची गरज आसा.
आतां कासार रोडने गावात आहा कासार रोडने जे मिनी पूल जे हांगा आमी बांदपाचो जो तांकां हे बाबा कितें हे सरकारा कडेन जे निवेदन केल्ले सरकारा पंचायतीन आमी सांगलेले त्या जाग्यार आमी उबे आहा आयज लोकांची कशी हालत आसा ती पळयात आयज जे पळोवपाक गेले जाल्यार हे सगळे कडेन अशे गाडये उबे आहात लोकांचे कामां वचपाचे हाल जाल्ले आहात लोक कशे कशे मुठीत घेवन जीव घेवन हे आपल्या कामाक वचपाचे प्रयत्नात आहात.
तर हांगा सध्या एअरपोर्टाचो हे उदक सोडले आनी आमकां रस्तो बंद जाल्लो आसा तेन्ना कासरणे देऊळ वाड्यार थंय रोड बंद जालो भुरग्यांक नुकसान जाल्लें आहा शाळेंत कशें वयतले कदंबा बंद आहात गाडये बंद आसात आमी सगळे आतां आमची गायी गुरां सुद्दां बंद आहा वचपाची तेन्ना हांगा वयले एअरपोर्टाचे उदक सोडले आनी आमकां खूब नुकसान जाल्लें आहा आमची शेती हांगा पुरी बुडान गेल्ली आहा शेतीचें नुकसान जाल्लें आहा तेन्ना सरकारान हेचेर दखल घेवपाची स्थानीक आमदार आमचे आल्लेकर सर आहात तेंच्यांनी हेचेर विचार करचो विचार विनिमय करून आमकां न्याय दिवचो वर्षांनी हे एअरपोर्ट जाल्यारच हे अशें जाता तेका लागून आमकां सगळ्यांक त्रास जाल्ले आहा सगळे आतां लोक हांगा रावल्ले आहात आनी हे पळयात हे उदक अशें भरलेले आहा शेतांतल्यान खूब वर्सांनी भरले आहा अशें पयलीं हे नासलें जर एअरपोर्ट जाल्यार एअरपोर्ट जालें उदक सगळें हांगा सोडलें आनी आमकां नुकसान जालें.
गोवा 365 खातीर गोंयभरच्यान आमचे खबराकार.
The number of kidney patients in Kankana is alarming, prompting the government of Goa to conduct a comprehensive study through the appropriate national agency, according to Health Minister Vishwajit Rane. He also pledged to send a team from Goa to Delhi after the assembly session.
Kurtorim MLA Alex Reginald Lawrence and Vijay Sardesai highlighted a significant increase in kidney patients in Kankona. The health minister acknowledged the issue and emphasized the need for awareness about lifestyle factors. Additionally, the health minister promised to expand the number of dialysis centers in rural areas.
Major kidney cases are coming from Kankon. All these years we have been discussing what steps government is taking. I want to know from the honorable minister what exactly he plans, how he plans taking early detection of kidney cases. What exactly? Knowing all the reasons due to hypertension, diabetes, due to so many things it is happening. Cases are increasing.
तुम्ही आज काणकोणचो विषय घेतल्यार खूपशा लोकांक किडनीचो दुयेंस थंय जाता पूण हे सगळ्या गोष्टीचेर आयज किडनी फेलियर हे जे दुयेंस वाडटा and हे वाडटा because you find young people between the age of 25 and 35 also having bleeds and having high blood pressure and other things uncontrolled. All these things in direct complex various aspects which you get. Somebody has a hypertension, somebody has high blood pressure, somebody has high sugar, somebody has uncontrolled. It comes and it engulfs a particular patient, and sometimes it leads to, in many cases, it leads to these type of issues such as kidney failure and dialysis. So basically, we are doing on all fronts. Wherever extension officer, medical doctors are there, they do their job. Many of these, some are genetic related issues, some issues are, but many times we find that these things what are happening, which I just mentioned, 2-3 aspects lead to this. So we are doing our best to see that awareness is created, and through awareness, because to see that we are able to also identify the areas where these cases are high. Like you said in Kankon, somebody asked a question whether we have done any study. In the past, there was a study commission, but it didn't. There was no conclusion.
We are asking every assembly this question.
But to do this, we need help from. We will take help from Government of India also, because there are research bodies which have to carry out a detailed research as to what is the cause of what is happening. So we were in the past we have written on a couple of occasions, but more than that, it is not only dealing with the dialysis or giving the patient ultimate last end care what is there, like to continue sustain a good quality of lifestyle, but before that also what needs to be done is being done by the government. गोंय राज्यान आमी जे सेंटर्स चलयता, आमकां 10 कोटी प्लस पयशे केंद्रांतल्यान येता. त्यांची जी स्कीम आहा केंद्रांतली, थंयच्यान आमी हे स्कीम आमी चलयता. आनी हांव अश्युरन्स दिता, हांव डीनाक मुद्दम हांवें दिल्ली आमचे जायते रिसर्च ऑर्गनायझेशन्स आहा, गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ इंडियाचे रिसर्च ऑर्गनायझेशन्स आहा. हे रिसर्च ऑर्गनायझेशनाक कमिशन करपाक काय हरकत ना, आनी ऑनबोर्डिंग करपाक काय हरकत ना, आमी करुया. आनी ताका हांव अश्युरन्स दिता की असेंब्ली कितें सोमारा मंगळारा आमचे आतां क्वेश्चन लास्ट 5 तारखेर हे आमचे लास्ट दिसता म्हाका क्वेश्चन, तेच्या नंतर क्वेश्चन ना. ताका डीनाक रिक्वेस्ट करता आनी डायरेक्टर DHSाक आनी सेक्रेटरीक की दिल्ली वचून आमी थंय जॉयंट सेक्रेटरी कडेन चर्चा करून आमकां एक कमिशन आमकां स्टडी कमिशन करूंक जाय. आनी गोंय राज्यान एक कित्याक दुयेंस चल्ल्या, खंयची एरियाज हॉटस्पॉट्स आहा, हे सगळ्या गोश्टी करपाक आमी तांकां धाडून आमी ह्या म्हयन्यान ऑगस्ट म्हयन्यान आमी तेंचे कडल्यान कमिटमेंट घेवन तेंचे ऑर्गनायझेशनांतल्यान गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ इंडियाचीच बॉडी घेवन आमी फुडें व्हरपाक काय हरकत ना.
442 काणकोणकारां मदीं एक मनशाक किडनीचो प्रॉब्लेम आसता. तेच आमी कंपेर करून गेले जर 70 थर्ड रँक जाता. 1832 लोकां भितर एक मनशाक क्रॉनिक किडनी डिजीज आहा. सालसेतीन गेल्यार 1732 एक मनशाक क्रॉनिक प्रॉब्लेम आहा. म्हळ्यार काणकोण इज अ बिग इशू, सादो इशू न्ही तो. आनी जें कितें आतां मंत्र्यान आतां लास्ट सांगलें बाब रेजिनाल्डाक की आमी नॅशनल पॉलिसी नॅशनल एजन्सीक घालून करता म्हणून, हें पयलींच करूंक जाय आशिल्लें स्पीकर सर.
The issue of shortage of doctors, nurses and staff in government health centers also came up during the discussion, to which the minister had this to say.
मुख्यमंत्री कडेन आमी चर्चा करून हे सगळे जे गोष्टी रिवायज करपाक जाय, म्हाका दिसता सेशन जाल्या उपरांत आमी बसतले. आतांच आमी 2023 30/10/2023 आमी परत एकदा प्रपोजल फॉर एडिशनल पोस्ट टू कम्युनिटी हेल्थ सेंटर. आयजचे जर तुमी पळयल्यार उत्तर जे आसा आनी आयजचे जे नॉर्म्स जे आहा आनी आयजचो जो लोड जो वाडला, आयज उत्तर जे दिला ते आमी आयज जे तो आमचो स्टँडर्ड हे आसता बेस्ड ऑन एक्झॅक्टली वॉट इज द सिच्युएशन, कशें कितें आसता, ह्या इतले पेशंटाक इतलें. पण कितें आहा थंय परिस्थिती बदलल्या आनी मय मतदारसंघाचे बी खुबशे लोक थंय येतात. 4000 म्हटले की 4000 वचून तेपेक्षा मायज लोकांक ते केटर करता ते हॉस्पिटल. आनी ह्यो सगळे गोश्टी आमी जे धाडल्या आमी परत एकदा 44,000 मेन म्हणजे हे सगळ्या गोश्टी आमकां परत एकदा रिव्यू करून आयजची परिस्थिती कितें आहा, आयजचे जे कितें लोड जो वाडला ते हॉस्पिटल, त्या आदाराचेर आमकां ते पोस्ट थंय भरपाची गरज आहा. उत्तर हांवें जर दिला तरी बी देर इज नो शॉर्टेज, पूण आमकां वेगळे तरेन पळोवन आमकां एडिशनली पोस्ट करपाक जाय. ह्यो डॉक्टर्स जर आमी ओपन करूंक ना, रिक्रुटमेंट करतना कॉन्ट्रॅक्च्युअल जी कोणीय अप्लाय करूं शकता. आमकां दिसता की खुबशे कडल्यान डॉक्टर्स जे शिकून आयज MBBS आहा ते आमच्या राज्यान येवन काम करपाक तयार आहा. ते येवन काम केल्यार आमकां सगळी कडेन फेसिलिटी योग्य तरेन आमी दिवंक शकतले. आमकां जाय तशें आमी बेनिफीट आमी घेवंक शकतले, बेनिफीट फॉर द पेशंट्स. सो दॅट इज अ रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ डॉक्टर्स. इफ दीस पॉलिसी ऑफ द स्टेट गव्हर्मेंट इज नॉट ट्विक्ड, we will be only talking in the assembly every time in a different way, but we will not be able to get any outcome.
Do it. Why are you wasting time?
William Rodriguez, Dylan Rodriguez and Omkar Deshprabhu for Goa 365.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. Tragedy has struck Himachal Pradesh as cloudbursts have caused widespread devastation across Shimla, Mandi and Kullu districts. 2 people have lost their lives and at least 53 others are missing following cloudbursts in the region.
The violent cloudbursts this morning have caused massive damage. with many houses, schools, and hospitals reported to be severely impacted. Relief and rescue operations are in full swing. The National Disaster Response Force, State Disaster Response Force, and local officials are at the sites of the disasters. The Army has been called in for additional support, and the Air Force is on standby. The Chief Minister has urged residents to stay away from canals and rivers. A cloudburst near a hydroelectric power project at Samej Khad has left at least 20 people missing. Due to road connectivity being disrupted, rescue teams are hiking to the affected sites. In Mandi, the Rajban village near Mohal Terang has also been severely affected by cloudburst, leading to road blockades and landslides. Deputy Commissioner Apurva Devgan has ordered the closure of all educational institutions and vocational training centers in the Pandhar subdivision for safety reasons. The monsoon fury has not spared neighbouring Uttarakhand either. 2 people have died and another was injured after a cloudburst in Tehri Gherwal district. In Haridwar, heavy rainfall led to the collapse of a dilapidated house, killing 2 children and injuring 9 others. The injured have been hospitalized and 3 in critical condition. Subhashish Govekar and Sangeeta Oli for Goa 365.
Iran's supreme leader Ayatollah Ali Khamenei has ordered Iran to strike Israel directly in retaliation for the killing of Hamas leader Ismail Haniyeh in Tehran, according to the New York Times. As per reports, Khamenei gave the order at an emergency meeting of Iran's Supreme National Security Council on Wednesday morning, shortly after Iran announced that Haniyeh had been killed.
Even though Iran and Hamas have accused Israel of the assassination, Israel has neither acknowledged nor denied killing Haniyeh, who was in Tehran for the inauguration of Iran's new president. Haniyeh was assassinated at about 2 a.m. local time after attending the ceremony and meeting with Khamenei. Iran had launched hundreds of missiles and drones in April in retaliation for an Israeli strike that killed several Iranian military commanders in the Syrian capital of Damascus. Khamenei is the commander-in-chief of the armed forces. He has apparently instructed military commanders from the Revolutionary Guards Army to prepare plans for both attack and defense in case the war expands. Iran backs regional forces like Hamas, Hezbollah in Lebanon, the Houthis in Yemen, and multiple militias in Iraq. Leaders of those groups were in Tehran for the inauguration of Pezeshkian on Tuesday. Sangeeta Oli for Goa 365.
We will take another short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. And in some sports news, Indian shooter Swapnil Kusale has made history by winning a bronze medal in the men's 50-meter rifle 3 positions event. Swapnil Kusale has added another medal to India's tally at the Paris Olympics 2024.
Kusale's performance was nothing short of remarkable. He spent much of the early stages of the final in the 5th or 6th position but made a dramatic surge to secure a historic bronze. Kusale finished with a score of 451.4 points, just 0.5 points shy of silver, the sixth male shooter from India to win an Olympic medal, and has added to India's overall tally of 3 medals in shooting at the Paris 2024 Olympics, following Manu Baker's bronze in women's 10-meter air pistol and Baker's and Sarabjit Singh's bronze in the men's 10-meter air pistol final. Subhashish Govekar and Omkar Deshprabhu for Goa 365.
And lastly, for the weather, heavy to very heavy rainfall accompanied by strong surface winds gusting up to 50 km per hour is expected in North and South Goa districts over the next 3 days. IMD has issued orange alerts for the weekend, downgrading it thereafter.
In the last 24 hours, Goa has experienced intense southwest monsoon activity, leading to extremely heavy rainfall across the state. According to the Meteorological Center in Goa, most areas received very heavy rainfall, with isolated locations experiencing unprecedented downpours. A warning has been issued for fishermen along the Maharashtra-Goa coast due to squally weather with wind speeds reaching 35-45 km per hour, gusting up to 55 km per hour. Fishermen are advised to avoid venturing into the sea during this period. Authorities have also highlighted potential impacts of the heavy rainfall, including waterlogging, flash floods, landslides, and disruptions in traffic and power supply. Residents are urged to take necessary precautions and stay updated with the latest weather advisories. Orange alert issue for next 2 days. Heavy rainfall to continue battering the state. Citizens advised against stepping out unnecessarily. Strong wind speeds likely in some areas. Fishermen advised against venturing out to sea. Bureau Report Goa 365 with inputs from IMD.
And with that, we come to the end of this news bulletin. For more news and updates, log on to our website www.goa365.tv. You can also follow us on Facebook and YouTube at Goa365 TV. Until next time, take care, stay safe, and keep watching Goa 365.